Honor is going for a minimalist look here, and the device feels good in the hand for that. Contributing to this is the redesigned fingerprint scanner, which, instead of being on the rear or indented on the front of the phone, now sits in the lower bezel but under the glass. So it's flush with the display. This isn't like in-display scanners we've seen on some phones, like the new Vivo X20 Plus concept device, but it does mean the sensor doesn't interrupt the clean lines of the Honor 10. There's a subtle lozenge-shaped outline so you know where to place your finger to hit the scanner, and we found it to work accurately and fast. It doesn't appear to be any less accurate as a result of being under the glass. That said, we didn't find ourselves using the fingerprint scanner very much, as there's also face unlock technology, which identifies you mere seconds after you press the on button. We found this to work really well, identifying our face from different angles and when we were wearing sunglasses, and it wouldn't unlock for other people. The display itself is very different to the one on the Honor 9, and similar to phones we've seen this year and last year's iPhone X. It's a 5.84-inch 19:9 display, with a notch at the top to house the front-facing camera and face scanning tech. The resolution of the screen is Full HD+, which essentially means you'll get a Full HD resolution plus a few bonus pixels, as the screen is longer than previous Honor devices. Honor's screen here is bright, clear, and nice and vibrant, and the maximum resolution is particularly impressive. There's relatively little bezel around the device, apart from at the bottom, but that's still trim, and the notch is small considering what we've seen on some other flagship devices. If you don't like the notch look, you can hide it by having a black bar on either side, which will slightly reduce your screen real estate. You won't waste the space if you do this, as those bars still house the clock, notifications and more. There's a lot to like about this screen.